The timeline panel in Adobe Premiere Pro is where most of the editing magic happens. Here's what it does. 1. Assemble your clips. You can drag video, audio, and image clips from the project panel into the timeline to build your sequence. 2. Edit and trim clips. Use the tools to cut, trim, move, and adjust your clips. You can perform precise edits to create smooth transitions and arrange your media exactly how you want it. 3. Add transitions and effects. You can drag transitions and effects from the Effects panel onto your clips in the timeline to enhance your project. 4. Adjust layers. The timeline is divided into tracks where you can layer multiple video and audio clips. This allows for complex editing, like adding background music, voiceovers, or overlay graphics. 5. Manage keyframes. You can add and adjust keyframes to control animation, effects, and audio changes over time. 6. Monitor time. The timeline displays the timecode, helping you keep track of your project's duration and make precise edits. The timeline panel is essentially the heart of your editing process, giving you a visual representation of your project and the tools to manipulate it.